Gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. You join me on a great day today, but it does not mean that the boys aren't gonna win. You join me just as I land at my second home. Let me show you this beautiful place one more time. It never gets old. Never gets old. Oh my god, like who has a better stadium, please? Who has a better stadium, please?
I'm nervous for today, man. You know what it is? I can see like a Villa game, you know, when last season 2-0
oh, yeah.
at home. I can feel one of them, but I hope not. What do you reckon? Who's going to score today?
I'm going to go Lewis Skelly to pick one up. I'm going to go Yoko's brace.
Calafiori loves to score an absolute screamer of a goal, so I'm going to say something miraculous from him.
And you?
Me? I'm going to say 3-0. I'm going to try and be confident. Gyökeres, Saka, Eze.
Now I'm not gonna lie, I was running a bit late today. That was not my fault. I actually thought I left on time, but I didn't. I completely timed everything wrong. But the journey here wasn't too bad, which is surprising because normally the trains are horrible. I mean, apart from the AC not blowing on the tube. Seriously, TFL, you're killing us down there, man. Please get some AC on the tubes. The journey wasn't packed at all. I mean, all I had to really deal with was a couple Fulham fans and a hen party, but that was about it. So yeah, we're gonna make our way to the turnstile, head in, and hopefully I get my 2-0 win today. I'm not even asking for 3. I'm being nice. I'm asking for 2. 2 today, boys. That's all I want. But they always give me false hope. Give me my 3 today, please. Nah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm loving this. I came here a bit tired, but I've woken up. Is such a daredevil, fucking hell. Guys ran half the pitch just to get to that. Bro. Wow! The free's back on! Arsenal! The free is back on! Yoga Bonito on display. Oh! 2 today. I asked for 3 last week, they didn't give it to me, they gave me 1. They must have seen the video and said, you know what, Sean, we're going to turn up for you this week. 3 goals in 45 minutes for Arsenal. What the hell? What am I watching? Everyone out there is doing their job. I literally don't recognise a single person out there. I'll tell you, the only bad thing about the first half is that it started raining. That's it. And I wore shorts today, so yeah, it's going to be interesting.
It's been raining? Yeah. Are you being serious?
I've got my legs out again. I was feeling good. Today, a bit too good. Sun was out early, I decided to bring my legs out. Now it started to rain. I don't know how well the Osmo will pick it up, but it is raining. I swear to you it is. You just won a whole trip to Mauritius. What? Bro just won a whole trip to Mauritius. Get me down there, what? Second half getting ready to start. Saka's come off for Madueke. Don't mind it, to be fair. Keep him fit for Tuesday. We need him Tuesday. Especially after what I saw this 45. Getting ready for Tuesday. There's a 4th in this, maybe even a 5th. But let me not get too greedy. But I'm loving what I'm seeing, I can't lie. This game has been so entertaining. I was asleep when I came here. I've woken up fully. I don't even had anything to drink. Go on, Declan. Is off, Jesus on, but I think he's had an amazing game, man. Wow, Yoga Benito, Victor Gyökeres today. Insane. Oh man, I'm waiting for my 4th. Come on. One more, boys, one more. In midfield today. Oh my word. Lewis Skelly in midfield today. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What's that line on? That's another clean sheet, which means 500 scarves are given away on Zil. Yes! I don't even recognize my team today. That is the best 90 minutes of football I've seen from the boys in ages. My word. Yoga Bonito, Victor Gyökeres. Yoga Bonito, Saka. Miles Lewis-Skelly in the midfield. Calafuri even today as well. I'm trying not to forget anyone, but Trossard. How can I forget Trossard? Wow. What a display today from the boys. 3-0, 3 big points. I'm speechless. One more game left at the Emirates, and that is Burnley. Whether I'll be here or not, I don't know. But hey, if this is going to be my last game at the Emirates, what a way to sign it off. Saka running down the wing. Saka. Sorry, let me get back to it. Yeah, if this is my last game at the Emirates, what a way to sign it off. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are new here, subscribe. If you have not dropped a like yet, drop a like. And whatever the next video is, I will see you there.